Hi guys, so today we are preparing guacamole, the base ingredient of which is avocado. So here I have scooped out one avocado, which will start by mashing the avocados with a fork. It has to be a ripe avocado. There are many different kinds of avocados which are available in the market. You can use different kinds and you can try and see the different taste that you like from it. To mash it nicely. Avocados are very rich in fat, but healthy fats. So they are majorly unsaturated fats that you find in avocados. And they are very rich source of fiber. They're great for heart health. They prevent certain sort of cancers. Avocados contain more potassium than a banana. It's extremely rich in potassium and many other minerals, but 77% of avocados is rich fats. It aids weight loss too because it keeps you full for long. In my next video, I'll be showing you how exactly do you need to pick an avocado which is ripe. Because if you open an avocado and if it is hard enough, then it is of no use. So here we are almost done with mashing of avocado, and now we'll be adding some tomatoes to it. Little bit of finely chopped onions and tomatoes. Very finely chopped garlic. All these are raw and uncooked. Some green chilies, add it as per your preference. You can also add jalapenos or olives, some coriander, some salt to taste. Then mix them well. You can also add some capsicum or any other veggie that you would want to. The shelf life of avocado is almost 24 hours to 30 hours only. So once you make this, you are supposed to use it within 24 hours. This is some olive oil that I've put in, extra virgin olive oil, almost 1 tablespoon. Then some lemon. Lemon you can adjust as per your taste. You can add different flavors as per your choice. This is a basic regular guacamole dip that I've prepared, and to keep this in good condition and to maintain the color, the tip here is to, till the time you do not use it, just dip the seed inside and just keep it like this. So you can prepare this beforehand and store it in the fridge, but you have to still use it within 24 to 30 hours. So this is Nikita signing off for the day. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel, Fat to Fit Curves.